Today, going to the racetrack. First, I have to get ethanol, then unfortunately, I have to go to work. But here we go. All right, finally done with the work day. So, just made sure everything was good. Check the oil level, check the radiator. Oh, I drained this catch can into a little bucket, which looked like it was just some water in there, which is normal. So I'm gonna put some ethanol in it and I will be on my way. All right, so just to call that no problem. I could probably put another couple gallons in it, but that'll be all right. Time to go. See you at the track. All right, guys, I made it. These gentlemen here were nice enough to let me use some of their shade. Much appreciated. Like always, no problems. Well, except for this is funny. I put like 10,000 miles on this car since I did these headlights, and my little shroud popped off. So now I gotta take apart the headlight just to put that back on. Too bad. But oh well. This might be weird viewing the video, but if you guys ever been to a racetrack bathroom, it's always terrible. This place is not terrible. Look at this. Clean, stainless. Nice. Doesn't smell like piss. You got the nice little dividers. You gotta have the trough though, man. It's not even a racetrack unless you got the trough. I don't know what's up with the showers, but that sounds pretty cool. I don't know what you have to do to get a shower key, but nice. Nice. XRP, man. Let the car cool down a little bit, and I'm gonna go make a pass. You know, I wanted to show you this too. I set up on my dash here. I don't know if you noticed the bracket from other videos, but it's pretty neat. So I have it all set up to do data logging and whatnot. So it's pretty convenient sitting right there on the dash like that. I'm gonna go to staging lanes now. Get my tech card in. very good pass, but I beat that Z06. Man, sometimes I love people. I didn't have my layout, so I didn't have boost, I didn't have my wideband, I didn't have a lot of things, because I set all this stuff up custom. Anyways, these guys over here next to me, I asked them for a cable, man, they hooked it up. The guy's name's John. Dude, they're all super nice. Like 5 people looked for a USB Type-C, even though they only had iPhones, but someone had one, man, and this is sick. I'm gonna have data now, so I'm gonna make another pass, and then we'll see where we're at. I'll turn up the boost a little bit, but you know, it's really hot. But man, props to these guys, man. That's really nice. And the guy, he was like, hey, I'm gonna turn on my generator. You know, if you want, just hook it up. Just hook it up and get some generator action. I'm like, dude, man, that's so great. Anyways, that's cool. Go make another pass. All right, now that I have data, I'm gonna make another pass and check this out again. Now I'm gonna have data, so we'll see what we do this time. Here's the log for my second pass. I built about 5 pounds of boost before I started moving. Air fuel's like 12.1, that's fine. Everything looks fine. My air intake temperatures are high, but everything else looks good. I'm on 64% ethanol. That's about it. I'm gonna turn it up because that was only like 10.5 pounds. So I'm gonna turn it up a few pounds and see what happens. Hey, the other guy won, but he broke.
Like, shit. I was telling him about it. He was like, "It's got LS in it." What? Yeah, bro. A lot of people that.
Yeah.
I wonder, he was like, "Hey, man, whoever was racing me in that little Lexus, that's a badass car."
Dude, the Corvette? Yeah.
He was like, "I don't even know what the fuck happened. He just thanked me." Bro, badass.
Thank you, sir. Hey, he's running. Good.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. Made 3 passes. Didn't break anything. Thing runs good. Got some props. I got some help. It was a great day of racing. I had actually like an intense amount of fun, but I'm afraid this is the last time this car is going to be together like this. I think after this video, man, it's going to have to go back to the shop. I'm going to start taking the turbo kit off and start to make the new one. It was, it did good. This thing was a good little turbo. Good little turbo kit. Thanks for tuning in. actually haven't been this excited about working on the car in quite a long time. But it's ready. Like, I'm ready.